It snowed last night, so we can finally use the most awesome snowblower in the world. Woo! That's it? You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna go back inside. Well, since we're not going to make a snowblower video today, what shall we talk about? Well, since we're already getting calls for spring projects, grading and seeding, why don't we talk about that? I'd say my favorite thing to do with the Ventrac is pushing dirt around in a very precise way. So not just with a bucket, I use the power rake, and with increments of 125 thousandths that are repeatable in terms of adjustment, I can do things that nobody else can do. So with a good artistic ability, you could do stuff with the Ventrac and the power rake, leaving the graded area so nice and so smooth that customers don't even want to walk on it when I'm finished. Anyway, that's where we get most of our customers from, are those looking to renovate and create a smooth, beautiful new landscape feature for their lawn. They've even graded in soccer fields in customers' backyards and have the reputation around here of just doing the most amazing work when it comes to grading and leveling. I think I get the most enjoyment from that aspect of the capabilities of our Ventrac. So I'm super excited about the new cultivator and primary seeder, is that would take my most requested service up to a whole new level, and it's already in the stratosphere. So we have notoriously rocky conditions in this part of the country, probably the worst that I've ever seen, with the rocks literally buried underground and through frost heaving forced their way up year after year after year. So whether I'm doing a grading job or a simple aeration and seeding, we have some extremely rocky and difficult terrain to work in. So I am really, really excited to try out the new cultivator, because I'm telling you, if it can work in this rocky soil, in these rocky conditions, it can work anywhere. So if it works here that well, it is going to make a believer out of me and the entire world. If I can use it in these difficult rocky conditions, it would take my efficiency to a whole new level. And I'm already pretty content with how much I'm able to do with the Ventrac in a short amount of time. I hope you enjoyed seeing the beginning, during, and after of this particular grading project. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and I'm really looking forward to this coming season and the future grading projects that you'll be seeing on this channel. Hope you all enjoyed this short episode, and also hope that you're looking forward to a lot of the great new episodes that we have coming up. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.